simula pa lang, actually wala pa kami buong concept. Ang request ko lang agad talaga, si Gladys at si Sean. Kasi, ito na yung, hindi pa po yung concept, pero gusto na namin, lahat kami gusto namin, hindi lang siya comedy movie. Gusto namin drama comedy. So, alam ko simula pa lang na kailangan ko ng tulong. So, hihingi ako ng depende ako sa tulong dun sa mga malalapit agad sa akin. So, si Gladys at saka si Joe yun. Kasi closest, very close ako sa kanilang dalawa. Tapos alam ko, ang galing-galing nila sa drama. So, hindi ako mahihiyang humingi ng saklolo at alam kong susuportahan nila ako. Yung kay Eugene, actually si Eugene ang ayoko muna siyang ka-join. Ito promise, si Direk June kasi, syempre may personal relationship siya. Si Direk June, gumamit ng friendship card para kunin si Uge. Kasi gusto niya talaga si Uge for the role. Ako sabi ko, ayoko pa kasi meron akong dream na project na kasama si Uge. Sabi ko, ayoko kasi meron akong gusto na yung dalawa kaming bida. Kaya ayoko muna kasi una nahihiya ako kay Eugene. Sabi ko na nahihiya naman akong yung support, di ba? Gusto ko dalawa na kaming bida, yung parang. At saka sabi ko, kung makikita na kami rito, baka mag-preempt yung plano ko. Gusto ko may pasabog kami dalawa ni Oge, yung walang yaan kami dalawa sa isang pelikula, yung gano'n. So, ang generous niya. She didn't mind na. Support ko si Vice, okay. Ganon, kaya ang masyadong mahal atag dito. Itong pelikulang to talaga natatouch ako tuwing pinag-uusapan. Kasi iba siya iba yung pagmamahal nila, iba yung pagmamahal ko dito sa movie. Iba rin yung pagmamahal ko at yung pagmamahal na nakuha ko mula sa mga kasama ko. Grabe sila sa akin dito. Grabe nila akong minahal at sinuportahan. Grabe sila. Meron silang balak lahat sa akin. Parang lahat sila, pre-project nila ako. Lahat from the director to my co-stars, parang lahat sila may project sa akin. Parang pina-project nila ako. Yung gusto nila, may gusto sila sa akin na makita ng mga tao pag pinanood nila ang pelikula.
And with that,
siguro ang pwede kong ikwento is how I approached the entire shoot, this being our first collaboration. I already mentioned this earlier that I just really wanted to be surprised. And during the first shooting day, I remember that I think I was able to capture, it was just a 5-second close-up of Neme as Bambi. And when I caught that, I felt napaka-authentic. I suddenly felt that Bambi is alive. Nakuha talaga yung core ng character. Kasi syempre nung nagsisimula I know what's expected for me to come up with a film that's entertaining, but at the same time fresh, but at the same time it should be a true Vice Ganda movie, but it has to also have to have my own touch. But it's alat. The pressure was there, but on that first day, I let go of the pressure and I just decided to embrace the process. Kasi nakita ko yung authenticity ng character and I felt that if we could just stay true and stay grounded to this authenticity until the end of the filming process, we might be able to come up with something special. And I think that's what we were all able to achieve. A story for the family, and in terms of how the audiences are going to see Neme, I think they're going to see Neme in a new light. Familiar pa rin, ito pa rin yung Vice Ganda na minahal ninyo, pero mas marami pa kayong mamahalin sa kanya.
So sa pinakita ng trailer kanina medyo
sa set, nakakapanibago, ibang-iba. This is a brand new experience sa akin na napakaganda.
Yung nabanggit mo na yung script, I wanna go to Jumbo and Daisy. Meron pa kayong tinatter na tao? Meron pa kayong inspired ba ito by true events?
Aminin nyo na nabuhay nyo yun.
Ano ba? Jumbo?
Totoo yung sinabi ni Meme, pinaghalo-halo lang namin yung mga parte namin para mabuo si Bata.
Anong strength and unique charm ng Maton or Snoreen?
Charming naman talaga sila. Nag-work yung kanilang partnership dun sa mga una nilang mga series. At saka magaling talaga. Maris is very talented. Diba? Hindi natin pwedeng i-discount yun o disregard. Talented talaga si Maris. Si Anthony Jennings naman, hindi natin pwedeng i-deny na meron din siyang kakaibang brilyo pag pinapanood nyo sa mga sa screen. Kaya nung sinabi ng management at ng star na isama natin tong ano. Sabi ko, let's go. Sabi ko, isama natin sila. Go ako agad. Kasi kahit si Maris, noon pa yan eh. Lagi siyang kasama sa movie ko, pero hindi natutuloy.
Alright, thank you guys. Our next question is for Direct June from Chad of Manila Feed. Marami na kayong hit comedy movies, pero Direct, how different or challenging ang gumawa ng isang vice ganda na pelikula? And why it took you so long before kayo nagkatrabaho? Before nyo gawin ang movie, ano ang request ni Vice sa'yo? So it's a three-part question, no? So una muna, how challenging is it? It is.
It's definitely challenging because we're telling a story that is going to reflect the situation of so many Filipino families. But at the same time, we want it to be entertaining. And at the same time, siguro, more than anything, my concern was, how do I help Meme embrace the character in a way that she's also going to feel very comfortable? Because she confessed this to me, and I know that from the very beginning, meron siyang hesitation, meron siyang fears that she's going to be working with this brilliant cast of dramatic actors, and she's going to be involved in a lot of intensely dramatic scenes. But believe me when I say that Meme is a brilliant actor. Hindi niya lang na-realize yun, hindi niya lang pa na-embrace yun. And kasi paniniwala ko, and this is something I always say in my workshops, when you witness a comedian cry, is also the time that you witness true devastation. Alam niyo, yung kapag isang komedyante ang nagpaiyak at naiyak ka doon, mawawasak ka. Parang si Tito Dolphy dati, ilan na naman yung dramatic films niya, di ba? Tatay Kunalay, Markova. But those are the performances that stayed with us. And si Meme possesses that same kind of power. And Miss Bambi, she's funny, she's delightful, she's really funny. But at the same time, she's also heartbreaking and affecting. And to be able to balance those extreme emotions, it's no joke, hindi madali yun. And I can honestly say that Vice Ganda delivered and accomplished it with absolute mastery.
Pero Vice, ang tanong, were you scared to get out of your comfort zone?
I wasn't scared to get out of my comfort zone. I was scared to not deliver.
So okay
ako lumabas. Ang kinakatakot ko, yung hindi ko ma-deliver, hindi ko mapanindigan. Kaya I had to make sure na ma-deliver ko to at mapanindigan. Kaya kalakip nung takot ko, kailangan kong kumilos. Kaya nag-request ako kay Direct June.
Ano yung request ni Vice sa'yo? Yun ang tanong dito, before niyo gawin yung project.
Nag-workshop.
What kind of workshop?
One day one-on-one workshop.
Okay.
Yun, kasama siya and si Tita Manu. Sabi ko, hindi ko kayang humarap dito sa mahuhusay ng mga aktor na to nang wala lang, nang yabang lang yung bit-bit ko. Hindi. I was so insecure and I thought it was okay. I acknowledged my insecurity at sabi ko, I needed to do something kasi alam ko namang merong lacking sa akin eh. Diba? Kaya-kaya ko na magpataway, gamay na gamay ko na yun eh. Diba? Kaya-kaya kong mag-adlib, kaya-kaya kong sumama sa pag nagbe-brainstorm sila at meron ako maibibigay. Pero yung drama, this is something new. Kaya kailangan, simulan ko siyang maunawaan. Kailangan meron akong matutunan. Kailangan meron akong maihanda sa sarili ko, sa katawan ko, sa utak ko, para pag dumating ako doon, hindi puro yabang lang yung bit-bit ko. Kaya it was a humbling experience kasi I knew for a fact na since day one, nung nakasama ko silang lahat, hindi ako ang pinakamagaling sa set na yun. At kaya kailangan kong atupagin yung matulungan ko yung sarili ko para at least makasabay man lang sa husay nila.
Tita Manu, baka pwede ka mag-share? How was that workshop with Vice?
Nahayak ako. Oo, kasi alam mo yun, parang paghuhubad ng kaluluwa. So, maganda yun. Unang-una, ang ikinatuwa talaga, alam mo yung pagiging makatotohanan. yung pag-amin sa ano ang meron ka ngayon, anong strength mo, anong weaknesses mo, ano ang gusto mong gawin. So it was a choice, it was a decision. And thank God that I am instrumental, no, sa kanyang pag-explore, sa kanyang discovery. At yun, ramdam ko talaga yung kailangan kasi yung kaibuturan, yung honesty, kasi lahat naman dyan kailangan manggaling sa isang katotohanan. Lumabas yun. So, doon talaga nabuksan siya kung madali yung comfort zone. Then it became uncomfortable kasi may uncomfortable moments sa workshop. Pero na-transcend, nalampasan at nakikita natin at sa tulong din, syempre, andun din si Direk, yung yung path na nagabayan ng mahusay, ng malinaw, mahusay at buong damdamin at totoo. At alam ko, nagtagumpay talaga sila. At makikita nyo yan, pagdating ng Pasko, yan, revelasyon na yan.
Nice!
Sa bagong vice, ganda.
Kaya ang sarap din na, ang swerte ko kasi, bago pa gawin yung pelikula, nandun na si Direk at saka si Tita Malu to equip me bago ako magsimula. At sobrang laking biyaya na hindi lang ko siya kasama bago gawin, kasama ko siya habang ginagawa kasi nasa cast siya. So nandun siya to guide me all the way para abangan yung mata ko, abangan yung kinikilos ko, abangan. So nandun siya, kaya napakaswerte ko. At ang swerte ko rin na siya yung tumulong sa akin, siya yung nag-workshop sa akin. Ang swerte ko sa kanilang dalawa. It was very hard at that time. It was very hard. Yeah.